Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Anthony in Mississippi on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. Anthony, got it ready to go for you, bud. This is our tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, and electrolytic capacitor upgrades. The three most important upgrades you can do to the SR-447HPC2. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Got you at 2 watts all the way down. Let's roll it all the way up. There's 15 watts. While we're at it, I'll go and show you average power swing. Hello, 45 bird average, 100 watt slug in peak. Hello, 100 watts peak. All right, Anthony, we're gonna get it out to you, man. I really appreciate it. Appreciate your patience. If you're watching this, we're running 10 to 15 business days. That's business days on radio builds from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.